40s and 50s, going above average. We'll get there, but it's also going to come with some rain. 30 degrees now at the airport. Northeasterly winds, they're fairly light, 5-10 miles an hour. Still puts a little bit of a chill in the air, feeling like we are in the middle 20s. 28 right now in the Falls. We're just around the freezing mark along I-86 between Jamestown and Wellsville, and even northern Pennsylvania. As we move through the night tonight, we're going to hover around freezing and then have the temperatures warm up into tomorrow morning, and that's where everything kind of transitions between it being the chance for sleet and freezing rain over to rain. So temperatures through this evening in the 20s. Then by tomorrow morning, they're going to be rising. The winter weather advisory is in place for areas south of Buffalo, for Chautauqua, Cattaraugus, and Allegheny counties, 7 a.m. until 4 p.m., only until 1 for northern Pennsylvania. Sleet and freezing rain as this all begins, and then that switch over to rain happening. Currently, it's nice and quiet, and it's going to actually stay quiet for the majority of the night. Eventually, we're going to be talking about what is near Cincinnati, but up until tomorrow morning, we don't really have anything to worry about with it. Now, what we are going to pay attention to for tonight, there's a total lunar eclipse that will happen early Tuesday morning. The partial eclipse begins at 4:50 a.m. It's actually the blood moon that we have with the full moon happening. Now, when do the clouds come in before any of that precipitation comes through is what we'll have to watch. The totality starts at 6:04 and ends just about an hour later. So hopefully we'll be able to see a portion of that. And again, as the clouds come in, it's going to be a really tight squeeze to make that happen. But hopefully if you're up that early, you'll be able to see the moon actually kind of turn like a blood red. 23 degrees for tonight. Those clouds increase after midnight tonight, and temperatures will eventually be increasing as well. As for how much ice we'll get out of this and why there is the winter weather advisory across the southern tier, a few hundredths of an inch of ice going to be possible, maybe just a touch more into northern Pennsylvania, and even a portion of southern Erie County and even Wyoming County may have a quick start with this as some freezing drizzle, but then switching over to rain. Our Tuesday forecast, after that early morning mixed precipitation, we'll have temperatures that are right about 40 degrees across the board. A better shot of the mixed precip for the southern tier, and just rain between Niagara Falls and Batavia as we head into the afternoon. So look at this hourly forecast. It's clear. Up until midnight or so, there are really no clouds to speak of. Beyond that, by the time we get to 3 to 4 a.m., some of those high clouds are moving in between Dunkirk, Buffalo, Warsaw, northward, and even a portion of central Erie County may still just have those high clouds. Otherwise, we have a lot more cloud cover across the southern tier during the time frame of the lunar eclipse. Then we're dealing with not only sleet and freezing rain, but even a few snowflakes as we start the morning. For the afternoon, it's all over to rain showers, scattered at best into the second half of our Tuesday, and then by Wednesday we actually clear things out for a time. We're going to be off and on with some rain in the forecast, however, as temperatures do begin to warm up. We're closer to 50 degrees by Wednesday. Thursday, we're at 47. We have those rain showers that are with us. Same into Friday. Saturday, we're just around 60 degrees, milder with showers coming through, and then we're in the 40s for Sunday.